All right, so just so you guys know, there is a Makita tool store. The link is in the description below. You can get a hat, shirt, hoodie, long sleeve shirts, mugs, stickers, and a whole assortment of stuff. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Alrighty, so before we start, would you please go to the Facebook group, Ryobi Rebels, and please join. It's a good group, over almost like 75 or 7,600 members in it. It is growing. It's only about a year and a half old. It's doing good. All right, so I'm extremely excited about the new Ryobi line that's coming out that I saw from the Ryobi Tool USA Facebook page. All right, so before we get into it, here's the video. Based on what they showed us, this tool line is going to be extremely cool looking. It's going to be like a sort of a 3D tool. All right, so it's going to have a very bold look, and it's going to have a lot of stuff that pops out. It's just not going to be a flat thing with a sticker anymore. According to this video, a lot of 3D parts are going to be there, and it's going to be like a popping tool. You know, from just how it's designed. Now, when it comes to performance, they said the best performance ever that they've ever did. So I'm seriously hoping that it will majorly outperform this. I am going to get these tools first thing. I already talked to my TTI rep, and he's going to hook me up with some information on it in the near future. I'm begging him to, because I seriously want to be one of the first ones to get these tools. And these tools look seriously awesome. I'm extremely happy that they are upgrading these tools instead of just having the new tools out that are brush tools. These appear to be brushless. So what we are going to see, and we are going to do versus videos against the older models such as this, the P251, and we're going to see how much better they perform against these ones with HP batteries. Now, are they going to change the batteries? I do not know, but I really hope that they do. I want Ryobi to have the option for flat batteries. Instead of having the stem, I would much prefer a flat battery. I am hoping that they redesign their batteries. Now, the promise that they made to their customers many years ago is majorly outdated. Majorly outdated. They need to upgrade their batteries to be flat. They seriously do. So please like this video and please subscribe to the channel. I am going to be giving you guys information as I get it. So if you want to know what the latest and greatest from the new tools, the Revolution line, please come to my channel, and I will give you guys the info, because I am making sure that I am going to get this info one way or another. Because this channel originally started out to be just Ryobi, but then I expanded to everything. So I want to be the first ones. I want to be the first channel to actually get this real info. So please subscribe to the channel. I will be updating you guys on this line, and I'm going to make sure I get some tools before they get released or the day of release. So I am going to be getting these tools. I'm going to get them all. I want them. They look awesome. I love the way they're designed. So please like this video. Please hit the bell button to be notified of future videos. Please subscribe to the channel. This is Nicklas. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.